Hello, my friend. Welcome to MetaMind Meditation, the channel bringing you peace and wellness through guided meditations, sleep meditations, and practical tips for living a more fulfilling life. This guided meditation is about making yourself into a magnet to draw to yourself abundance. Unlike a previous video on becoming a magnet for something you want, that is, something specific, this meditation will work more generally on abundance. In a lot of cases, many of us will think of money first. That is absolutely fine and understandable. In previous videos, we discussed how we can block ourselves from money. And in related videos, we have meditations to clear those blocks. We will do something similar here by focusing on plenty. The human body, and especially the human mind and heart, is an amazing organic machine that uses electricity. You have a personal magnetic field. This meditation is designed to help you change the flavor of your personal magnetic field to attract abundance into your life. This will require multiple sessions to tap into the feeling you need to make this change. Once you find the feeling the first time, it'll be easier to tap into it again the next time. Remember that you are loved and valued by the universe. It wants the best for you. Anything or anyone you attract to you will result in a mutually beneficial exchange. It will always be for the highest good, even if we cannot see it in this current moment, even if what we're asking for arrives in an unexpected way, at an unexpected time, or in an unexpected form. Remember that this is an attraction meditation. You are a candle attracting a moth. You are a flower attracting a butterfly. You are tapping into your personal power of magnetism. Before we begin the meditation, know that you will be saying a phrase to yourself. That phrase is, I am a magnet for abundance. You can shorten this to, I am a magnet, if you want. While repeating this to yourself, imagine things that make you happy and scale their number up visually so that you couldn't possibly count those things. An example for money could be a field of wheat, but the stalks are growing fresh $100 bills. With that example in mind, conjure images, and more importantly, experience the feeling of having plenty. Try to imagine plenty in nature as well. A field of fruit trees stretching beyond the horizon. The uncountable salmon rushing upstream when it's time to mate. All the little bumblebees tirelessly floating from flower to flower to make sweet honey. You can also imagine a symbol that relates to the abundance you want in your life. A refrigerator full of healthy fresh food, or a garage full of vintage cars you admire. If you find yourself experiencing fear or anxiety, hold your breath for a few seconds. Acknowledge the feeling and try again with a smaller version of the abundance you want to attract. If a garage full of vintage cars is too much, imagine one showpiece in your current garage. Over time, you can adjust your one show car to 3, and then to 7, and then to 33. Remember to join these images with positive feelings, especially feelings of love and gratitude. Focus on the belief that the world has so much to offer us, more than we can imagine. Believe in yourself and the certainty that the world is abundant. You are a magnet. You are drawing it to you. It will find you. It will come to you. At the end of the meditation, surrender, let go, rest, and have faith. You should feel calm, confident, and certain at the end of this, not strained or anxious. As you practice and repeat this, you will notice some kind of feeling. It could be a tingling sensation, or maybe a feeling of heat or fullness rising up from your stomach. Please share your experiences with us in the comments. One last thing before we begin. As you imagine what you want to attract, as well as feeling love and gratitude, imagine how you can share this happiness with others. This desire to share will help you bring in abundance. I'm about to lead you through a guided relaxation. Afterwards, I will remain quiet for 10 minutes as you go through this practice. I will gently bring you out at the end. Let's begin. First, make sure you are in a seated position or lying down. You want to feel comfortable, and know that you will be uninterrupted. We will begin by breathing deeply for 4 seconds. We will hold the breath for 4 seconds. We will exhale for 4 seconds, and we will hold our empty lungs for 4 seconds. We'll cycle through this 3 times. Try to maintain this rhythm throughout the practice. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. I am a magnet for abundance. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. I am a magnet for abundance. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. I am a magnet for abundance. Imagine a calm sparkle of electricity in your heart. Imagine the sparkle sending warm, tingling arcs up and down your spine. Imagine a ball of electricity expanding from your heart outwards around your body. This is your personal magnetic field. It's so warm and so beautiful. I am a magnet for abundance. Now imagine those images and scenes of abundance. The fields of fruit trees, the salmon, the bees. I am a magnet for abundance. Notice how these scenes make you feel. Imagine you already have this abundance. Feel love and gratitude. Imagine how you can share this plenty with others. I am a magnet for abundance. Sit with these images and feelings for the next 10 minutes. If you feel your mind beginning to wander, gently bring your attention to the calm sparkle of electricity in your heart. I am a magnet for abundance. Very good. Bring your attention back to the beautiful field of electricity around you. Has it changed? Does it look any different from when we started? Breathing easily, imagine the field gradually becoming smaller, 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 smaller. The field is within your heart. When you're ready, gently begin to open your eyes and slowly move your arms and legs. You may feel like stretching. You did an excellent job. When you feel ready again, revisit this meditation. You will have what you want before you know it. Please share below in the comments how this has impacted your life. Peace and light upon your beautiful soul, forever and always.